Welcome students to the next module of this chapter. After learning about the male reproductive system in the last module, in this module we would be learning about the female reproductive system and the process of implantation. So let us begin. The female reproductive system. The female germ cells or the female gametes called as the eggs are made in special organs called as the ovaries. They are also responsible for the production of some hormones. Ovaries are the main female reproductive organs. They secrete the female gametes called as the egg cells, and they also secrete certain hormones. When a girl is born, the ovaries already contain thousands of immature eggs. Unlike the males, when the females are born, they already have their female gametes inside them. However, they are in the immature stage. So what happens? On reaching puberty, some of these eggs start maturing, and one egg is produced every month by one of the ovaries. And this egg is released from the ovaries. As you can see in a small video about me, an egg is released from the ovary and it is picked up by the fimbriae, a part of the female reproductive system. Okay, the egg is carried from the ovary to the womb, that means the uterus, through a thin tube-like structure called as the oviduct or the fallopian tubes. Further, two oviducts unite into an elastic bag-like structure known as the uterus. Students, the uterus opens into a muscular passage called as the vagina through the cervix. Cervix is nothing else but the mouth of the uterus. Further, the sperms enter through the vaginal passage during the sexual intercourse. The male reproductive organ called as penis unites with the female vagina, and the sperms enter through the vaginal passage during sexual intercourse. Okay, this is called as the act of reproduction. Sexual intercourse is called as the act of reproduction. What happens? They travel upwards and reach the oviduct. The sperms travel across the uterus, move upwards, reach the oviduct, where they may encounter the egg cell. Now, the fertilized egg, which is also called as the zygote, gets implanted. It gets fixed into the lining of the uterus and starts dividing. Students, implantation, it is the attachment of the fertilized egg or the zygote to the wall of the uterus at the beginning of the pregnancy. And why does it begin to divide? For differentiation into various tissues. This whole process is called as the process of implantation. So here it is, we complete the structure of female reproductive system and the process of implantation, and also we end the module.